clarity. So we are going to look at return a func expression, returning a func, and a callback. So we're going to see what those are. And if you want to take this whole course, Greater Commons, it's awesome. Check it out. All right, so here. 027, func expression, callback, and what was the other one we're doing? Returning a func. Cool. Yeah, I don't like that in JavaScript either. Why didn't that copy? My entire program's frozen. Skip. Copy. Frozen. Just going to create a new file. Cancel. It doesn't like this name, maybe?
I think you already copied it. Copied that folder. So
oh, there it is. Thanks. All right, so I could, I have foo. I could assign foo to a variable. Foo is going to run, but this is going to return a string. So that's one way I could do it. So y will now have so foo runs, and I need it to return a string. There we go. Easier just do this. That's cleaner. Foo runs, and it returns a string. I assign that to y, I print y. I could also do, let's do A. I could also do B : equal func, parameters, code, func.println, and we'll do this one z. And this is going to take in z, a string. And now I could call B. I could call B. But when I call it, I need to pass in a string. So that's a func expression, assigning a function to a variable. It's pretty much like, you know, if I just called foo. So let me pass a string in here. Kind of you know, a string with a little concatenation, which means I got to pass something in here. So I call foo. It's going to be something. Gets passed in, gets put there, gets concatenated with dog, gets returned, gets assigned to A, and then I just print out A, whatever. And then that's that part. I could also call foo just like this. So just like that, func foo has an identifier. And then I pass in an argument. Likewise, this func here is an anonymous function, because that's what this is. doesn't have an identifier. If I assign it to b, so b becomes the variable holding that function, I could call it over and over. So this is 27. How come I didn't get cat and bird? Oh, because it returned it and I didn't do anything with it. Cat, dog, bird, dog. That's cool. Let's look at the example I have here. Func expression. So anonymous func assigned to a variable, call it. Anonymous func assigned to a variable, call it. It's a func expression. We're just going to leave this one as func expression. So last thing I'll say about that is this is people, right? This is just like right? Right? We're just assigning a value of a certain type to a variable. We're assigning a value of a certain type to a variable. What is the type of B? Likewise, what's the type of D? Type of D is an int. The type of B is func string. That's its type. Func string. It's a type. It's all about values of a certain type. It's all about type and go. So that B, the type of that value, is func string. That's a func expression.